been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Morning, guys, and welcome back to the William fam. If you are not yet subscribed, make sure you pause this video, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a video. Well, let's see, I forgot to come back and vlog yesterday. It was raining, and plus I was editing videos and stuff like that. As you guys know, the decking videos have been up by now, and let me show you guys where they have reached so far. And yeah, it rained. We had night rain last night, so it was great. You know how nice it is when it's raining, and just sleeping when it's raining is the best. But it's even more nicer when you're in a board house and hear the rain on the zinc. But it was still nice because we were able to hear it on the rain, on the walls, on the window, because it was dropping almost like it was snow. So let me show you guys what's going on. As you can see, so here, see, they took off one of them here, so this one is taken off. And oh, see the one in the bathroom, this one is taken off too, and it's already chipped up. This one's taken off, so you guys know what that means. Oh, look, can you guys see that? Or maybe you can't see it. I see like steam coming from there. I don't know why, but I see a little bit of steam coming from there. Okay, so let me show you guys. So like I said, this is the bathroom here, and then the room. Oh, that one's still on. I didn't see it rained. We caught another drum of water so they can work. So they gotta do up this one today here, and that one. So they're gonna do that one, and then they gotta tie another piece on here. But they're not gonna do this one up yet because they have to bring up this dead wall. But this one they need to tie a piece on, and they can do that one. And he hasn't taken off the board for those. So Mr. William is up and at work as usual. It's early. I just after 7 now. We've been up since about 5 something. But and so here's the construction zone. But I'm trying to catch the water so we can use it. So, but that's what I've been doing. I'm gonna wait, and then I'm gonna get breakfast together. But look at the, I think it's might be breadfruit season coming. But I love seeing the thing. But the only thing it kind of takes away from the view to have this like in the house. But they're going to, I don't know if they can move it. Alright, they're probably gonna have to chop off some of the limbs here. So Mr. William is actually vlogging, so you guys will definitely see. I'll do a full video of him just boxing this up and stuff like that. For those that don't know how to do it and do want to learn, you guys will definitely see a straight video of that. So as you can see, has the GoPro on, so he'll be vlogging all that when he takes it all down and when he chips it up. So, and they always say there's a method to his madness, why they chip up the wall when they do that. So I think it's when they, what is it, rendering, babe? Oh, so when the reason why they chip up the wall, because it is very smooth. So I will stay here and show you guys what this one looks like, and you guys will fully see what the other ones them look like. Because what happens is when he takes off the ply, the wall is very smooth, so it's not rough like these ones. So these ones are ready to be rough cast, right? So it'll be rough cast, smooth, and rendering, I think. Is that what it's called? Don't quote me on that 100%. Like I say, I'm not a builder. I'm just on the side. Giving trouble? No. not at all. I only give trouble when I need to give trouble. So, and in pulling off the crowbar by himself. Ah, all right. So what he has to use the crowbar and stuff to take it down. Have to go in, and because he's gonna reuse it, it's already built up because he had to literally build these, but then he'll be able to use them on the other wall. And it takes a lot of nail. So I'm giving you guys just a little bit of insight to see. Oh, and I didn't even show you guys downstairs. I'll take you downstairs and show you what Janai did with downstairs, because the downstairs the wood's fully gone from down there. So this is what he's doing. And here's a little bit crowded with all the blocks and stuff. This one look like it's stuck a bit. Oh, there it goes. See those nails? And you see, look how smooth it is. But you can't keep it that smooth. So he's going to have to chip up the wall. Okay, see how nice and smooth it is. So I'm gonna take the hammer and
The hammer is the hatchet.
oh, the hatchet. Oh, so he has to chip up the wall to make it rough, like these here. So when they're doing it, he can. So he has to do that to the whole wall. So let me take you guys and show you what's going on downstairs. You know, look at this, guys. Look at a pepper tree. You want some Scotch bonnet pepper? We got a whole heap. We got one tree here, one over here, and another one right there. We had pumpkin growing in here too at one point. So let me show you guys down here. I'm not really gonna go in there because there's probably mosquitoes. God knows what's down here. Oh, it's actually dry. It's actually dry. But oh, Janai was down here, so you see how all this wall is chipped up. Now you can see everything is ready, and all the walls. So down here it's all chipped up too. So they had to chip up the ceiling because it has to get rough cast and rendering as well. So the floor is not done yet. I think they're gonna do that at a later date, not right now. And so he still has to take off. Yeah, he's gonna have to come outside and take these ones off. But all of these are done. So, and this just kind of gives it a little bit more space on the house. So, as you can see, all of that is all done. And they still have to dig down all of this. It's not done yet. But they, whoa, whoa. So they're still gonna come and dig down all of this here soon. So that is what is going on. Like I said, it's just been a lot of work on the house lately. We haven't been able to really gone out and do anything because we just been focusing on the house, trying to push it as far as we can go. But hopefully sooner or later we can at least get out and go get some stuff done as well. I'm hoping to get out, even to go to river, like just go have another like getaway, just something. Can't be just here and just doing work and no play. I need to get out and have a little bit of, you know, time as well. So hopefully soon we can go out and go do something. Alright guys, so I have not come back on here in a bit, but the guys are working, so I'm coming to show you what is going on. They're finally, the steel man finally show up. Oh, look at me, I have to fire him. Eh? So there we go. Eh? So there it's going up there.
Good morning. First thing this morning, I'm gonna take these ply off because I cast this column yesterday. All I do is to take off because I already cast and I needed to do these other ones. So I always back your nail out because you don't know when you're gonna throw it down. You have to get one step on it. So this part now. That's one side. Okay. Oh boy. Hope it doesn't break it off. Okay. And there is a column. Perfect. So now I have to chop it up to get it rough, that it can take rough casts when I'm ready. Now is the best time to hack it up because it's not dry, so it's pretty soft right now. See how easy this is? Come back in another day or so and you can't do this. Yep. So this column was cast yesterday in the evening, like about maybe about 3 o'clock, and it's dry enough that it can pull off. Okay, one down. I'm gonna chop it up, see me? I can't chop it up. You can't chop it up. What do you think you're there for? Your pretty looks?
Yep.
Now I'm gonna work around here, you know.
Pretty looks and other services.
Now I'm gonna work.
Been working for the last how much years already, girl?
I'm gonna see how long you'll go for.
No, while I have it, might as well still use it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You ever man who's gonna know why you get up and key in a pocket?
So I need to go in that car. Man, really?
Every man in the same thing.
And put it back in my pocket. So what I told you to me?
What I go to you?
Mm.
They not do nothing. You can keep it here, you can still walk away from it.
Mm.
Now you need breakfast. So the longer you hold on to the key, the longer it will take to make you something to eat.
I'm gonna me.
Yeah, that's why I tell you supposed to wear everything to move here and you don't wear it. Give it to me. And you already have a problem with your eye. Come.
Hmm?
Where's I going to hold it? It's from here. I look like you ought to be talking this morning. You know, they're disgusting.
I'm both afraid.
Eh?
It's funny how at least no budge.
Hmm?
At least no budge.
No, set up your budge.
We don't want to budge.
Hey, where you
Where is it, Naki? Let's see if I come around here. Which part the wall?
Right down the lower part.
Not bad. See, I make it bony.
Until if you mix up your name, they give me.
Oh, I sit down, you know? I'm not supposed to know. You can actually come around here?
No, sir.
You make sure I'm go feed for you. Because you're not lefty.
You just put it over there.
And not lefty a bump on it.
A lot of rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me couldn't be the wife for you. That inna the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That inna the days and now it's every day.